The latest addition to the Genie family of construction equipment is the Z135/70, featuring a maximum platform height of 135 feet, 69 feet 9 inches of horizontal outreach, and an incredible 75 feet of up and over clearance. The Z135 offers industry-leading versatility in the self-propelled 120 to 135-foot aerial market. The base unit Z135 weighs 44,900 pounds and the stowed length is 42 feet 5 inches. This should allow the machine to be transported over the road without special permitting, even with the additional weight of selected options. The load center is also very near the physical center of the machine, which should also facilitate transport. Many of the Z135 systems, such as full-time positive traction four-wheel drive, the four-wheel steer system, and the ALC 1000 control system, are common to the Genie S100s, the S120s, and the Z80. Not only are these systems proven durable and reliable over time, but the commonality makes servicing easier and parts retention less complicated and extensive. Similar to other large aerial work platforms, the Z135 has extending and retracting axles to accommodate transportation. The retracted width of the machine is 8 foot 1 inch. The extended width, such as you see here, is 12 foot 11 inches. The most obvious new and exclusive feature of the Z135 is the X-chassis axle configuration. The X-chassis design represents a departure from the conventional box-within-a-box telescoping axle extension and retraction systems. Instead, each axle is independently mounted from vertical mounting pins. As the machine is slowly driven forward or backwards, the axles pivot when activated by a horizontally mounted hydraulic cylinder. The X-chassis design reduces friction and provides for easy and reliable setup. Divider combiner valves provide full-time positive traction four-wheel drive in both low and high speed. The brakes on all four wheels are spring-applied hydraulically released. The tires are common to the S100s and 120s once again. They're 18 inches wide, foam-filled, and of the rough terrain lug tread type design. Another commonality to the S100s and 120s is the four-wheel steer system. Selectable modes are front wheel only, rear wheel only, crab and coordinated steer. Both crab and coordinated steer provide increased maneuverability in and around tight areas. With the axles extended, the inside turning radius is only 7 feet 6 inches and the outside is 18 feet 6 inches. Each wheel is independently controlled with the use of no tie rods. This is accomplished through the use of position sensors mounted at the top of each kingpin. The machine's control systems monitors the position and keeps the wheels in appropriate alignment. The control system also reduces drive speed during turns, minimizing the effect of acceleration on the operator. To enhance serviceability, the drive, steer, and axle manifolds are located on each side of the chassis in large, easy-to-access component boxes. One more Z135 system that's common to S100s and 120s is the Sauer-Danfoss microprocessor-based ALC 1000 control system. The primary controller is located here at the ground control panel. All adjustments to the system are made on this menu-based format on the LCD screen you see located here. Adjustments include ramp rates, function speeds, and even language. There are over 8 resident languages within the system. The control system can also self-diagnose problems that may exist within the system. For example, if I were to manually disable turntable rotate, that fault will be displayed on the LCD panel, assisting in diagnosis. Dual swing drives provide 360 degrees of continuous rotation and help reduce the elements of backlash. The individual swing drives are common to the S60, the S80, and the Z80. The turntable is also speed controlled. As the boom is extended, platform rotation speed is reduced, thereby limiting platform velocity and also increasing operator comfort. There are 3 diesel engine options available. a 78 horsepower Deutz, 80 horsepower Cummins, or 86 horsepower Perkins. The Z135 utilizes a variable displacement piston function pump to increase efficiency for all lift functions. There's also a thermostatically controlled hydraulic oil cooler standard. The engine is mounted on a robust engine tray that swings out a full 50 degrees for service. The battery system features a 12-volt battery on the other side of the machine and the two 6-volt batteries you see here. The battery systems are independent, but both charged by the engine's alternator. The 12-volt battery provides power to start the engine and also for the control system. The two series wired 6-volt batteries provide 12-volt power for auxiliary functions, even in the most extreme conditions. The secondary boom is 4 sections. It is extended and retracted by 3 internally mounted series-plumbed hydraulic cylinders. The 3 cylinders and the internally mounted cable track is designed to slide out the far end of the boom if repair is ever needed. It's not necessary to disassemble the boom to remove these components. A single joystick raises a secondary boom and then automatically transitions to extend when fully elevated. When fully elevated and extended, it provides 75 feet 6 inches of up and over clearance. When in the fully stowed position, the high mount pivot provides over 51 inches of clearance. This allows the machine to clear transport vehicle loading ramps and the step deck at the front of the trailer without rotating the lift structure to the side. Electrical cables and hydraulic hoses use bulkhead footings at each boom pivot for ease of repair. The 2-section primary boom helps provide up to 69 feet 9 inches of horizontal outreach. It's also capable of reaching the ground without fully retracting the secondary boom. This allows the operator to save time by leaving the secondary boom elevated and raising and lowering the primary boom from ground level to full working height in approximately 100 seconds. The self-supporting cable track is robust and capable of supporting platform options such as the heavy-duty welder, platform work lights, weld leads, and/or airlines. Another new and exclusive feature of the Genie Z135 is Jib Extend. This new style jib provides additional maneuverability by hydraulically extending from 12 feet to 20 feet, as you see here. Access to those hard-to-reach areas is further enhanced by the jib's 110-degree range of motion, 70 degrees above horizontal and 40 below. The 8-foot by 3-foot steel platform you see here is standard. There's also an option for a 6-foot by 30-inch steel platform. The removable floor makes for easy service, cleaning, and replacement. Automatic platform leveling and 160-degree hydraulic platform rotation are also standard. Platform controls feature Hall effect joysticks. Hall effect joysticks have fewer moving parts, and all adjustments are stored on one control card at the ground control panel. The Z135 introduces a new tri-axis joystick, which adds a proportional rocker switch to a traditional bi-axis joystick. One controls primary boom functions and turntable rotate. A second jib functions and platform rotate. A single-axis joystick controls secondary boom up and extend, down and retract, and a bi-axis joystick for drive and steer. Membrane switchers are used for other boom functions such as steer mode, axle, extension and retraction, drive enable, and engine speed. A toggle switch controls platform level. Genie is pleased to introduce to its customers the Z135 with its innovative new systems such as the X chassis and Jib Extend. We believe the Z135 will provide years of durable service and safely and successfully address the most challenging work applications.